Okay, now we'll see var arguments in Java. That is what variable length arguments. So before going for variable length arguments, we'll see one example, that is class display. Now in that display class, we are writing one method, that is show method, having one parameter, that is integer a, and here we are just displaying system.out.println in one argument. And there is another class var argument demo. In that we are just creating the object of display class and calling the method from the display class. So now here, suppose at the time of function call we are passing only one argument, but suppose user want to pass two arguments, and to execute the method with the two arguments we have to write another method having two parameters. Yes, we have to write another show method having two parameters. And again same, suppose we want to pass three parameters at the time of function call, it is necessary to write a show method having three parameters. If you want to know how many values user will be sending, then it is very difficult to define all the methods. Depending upon the number of arguments, you have to define the number of methods. Depending upon the number of arguments, you have to define the number of methods. So instead of doing this, Java comes with the new concept, that is varargs. So we'll see, that is what here just we are writing one show function having only one parameter, and at the time of function call here we are writing 5. But suppose I want to pass the two parameters at the time of function call, then we have to write another show method having two parameters. Yes, and suppose if you want to pass three parameters, so again we have to write same procedure, that is we have to write the same show method for three parameters. So if you don't know how many values user will enter, so it is very difficult to define all the methods. So depending upon the number of arguments, you have to define the number of methods. So instead of doing this, we have to use vararg method. So what is that? We'll see in demonstration directly. So here is one display class, and you can write the var arguments method like this, that is void show whatever the return type of the method, name of the method, and after that in that whatever the data type we have to pass. After that data type we have to pass three dots. It is three dots. Don't write here 4 and 5, 2, whatever you want. Just you have to write three dots and the name of the variable. So after that, in that method, whatever the code you want to write, you can write. And also here we are writing one show method. Just we are writing here to show, that is this method having single parameter, and this is what this method is vararg method. That is what here we are passing number of parameters at the time of function call, which is not defined how many, that is 3, 4, 5. So now here in varargs demo class, in main method we are just creating the object of display class, and this object of this display class is used to call the show method. That is, this show method is what var vararg method, that is var arguments method. So here you can pass, I have passed four parameters. You can pass whatever the number of parameters you want, and this show method will call this one. So when you are writing show method, JVM searches for that method, that show method having four parameters, but here is no method available in display class having four parameters. After that, it will searches for vararg method. Yes, so it will display 3, 8, 9. What here we are using for each loop to display the vararg method, whatever the parameters or whatever the number of uh, parameters we are passing, just we are displaying it. So we'll take it into the uh, one for loop, that here we are using for each loop. So whatever the values in a, that is 3, 8, 9 and 2, that will be read into I, and we are displaying that I over here. So output will be what, that is in vararg. 3, 8, 9 and 2, and by using show method in one argument method 5. So we'll see. So here we are getting this war argument method 3, 8, 9, 2 and in war argument method. Here we are not displaying A. We can display over here like this, plus E. So it will display value of E also over here by using one argument method. So this is about war arguments. So what is war arguments? That is variable length arguments. So at the time of function call, you can pass whatever number of parameters once you have to, but before that you have to define the method having var args. Okay, that's all about war arguments in Java.